Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine and safe. So let's start our video today. Yes, in this video I am going to give you a job notification that is out recently and I am going to talk about NTPC Recruitment 2021. For NTC Recruitment 2021, you can apply online or even visit the ntpccareers.in, that is the official website, and it is looking for experienced professionals for requirement of executive commercial for filling up 14 vacancies for its commercial function, consultancy wing, business analysis, solar PV, CS, corporate communication and clean technologies area for the specified period. The last date for the submission of this online application is 26th August 2021. For executive commercial, there are 14 vacancies. For executive consultancy, there are 3 vacancies. For executive business analyst, there is 1 vacancy. For senior executive solar, there is 1 vacancy. For senior executive company secretary, there is 1 vacancy. For senior executive, that is corporate communication, there is 1 vacancy available. For executive clean technologies, there is 1 vacancy available. So these are the total vacancies I have told you. Now I will talk about the upper age limit. So maximum is 35 years. Monthly remuneration you will be getting for 71,000 per month. Educational qualification required for executive commercial. Degree in engineering in any discipline with at least 60% marks and postgraduate diploma in management or MBA or equivalent. Minimum 3 years post-qualification executive experience is required. For executive consultancy, BE or BTech in mechanical or power engineering with at least 60% marks. Minimum 3 years post-qualification executive experience. Executive business analyst, masters in business analytics or business administration with at least 60% marks. CA or ICWA or BE or BTech would be preferred. Minimum 5 years post qualification experience is required. Next, coming to senior executive solar. Degree in engineering, that is BE or BTech in any discipline with at least 60% marks. Minimum 10 years post qualification experience is required. Next, coming to senior executive company secretary, member of ICSI, Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Minimum 20 years post qualification experience is required. Next, coming to senior executive, that is corporate communication. Post graduation degree or post graduation diploma in communication or advertising and communication management or public relation or mass communication or journalism is required. Minimum 20 years post qualification required is a must. Next, coming to executive, that is clean technology. Degree in engineering or technology with BE or BTech in any discipline with at least 60% marks. Candidates with MTech or PhD in the energy domain will be definitely preferred. Minimum 5 years post qualification experience is required. Application fee, a non-refundable fee of rupees 300 for general, EWS, OBC, NCL category candidates is required. There is completely no fee for scheduled caste or scheduled tribe or PWBD or other categories and female candidates. The fee should be made through offline mode. Now coming to the main question, how to apply. Eligible interested candidates should apply online at NTPC Careers Portal, which is www.ntpccareers.net. The candidates are required to possess a valid email ID. The last date for the submission of this online application is 9/8/2021. Now I will talk about the NTPC Limited details. NTPC Limited is looking for experienced professionals for recruitment of executive safety, executive IT, DC or DR, senior executive solar and specialist solar on fixed term basis for a period of 3 years. The advertisement number of which is 321 or 3/21. Executive safety has got 25 posts. Executive IT data center or data recovery has got 8 posts. Senior executive solar has got 1 post. Specialist solar has got 1 post. The upper age limit for these is executive 35 years, senior executive 45 years. For specialist, it is 55 years. I'll talk about the pay scales. Executives will be getting a monthly salary of 71,000 per month. Senior executive and specialist commensurate with the nature of experience and technical expertise. Qualification and experience for this required is executive safety, engineering degree from or engineering degree in mechanical or production or electrical or civil or power engineering with at least 60 percentage marks with a full-time diploma in industrial safety. At least 3 years relevant experience is required for the same. Executive IT data center or data recovery, engineering degree in computer science or IT or electronics and communication with at least 60 percentage marks is required. At least 3 years post-qualification experience is required for this job. Senior executive solar, engineering degree in civil with at least 60 percentage marks is required. At least 10 years post-qualification experience is required. Next, I'll talk about specialist solar, engineering degree in electrical with at least 60 percentage marks is required. Candidates with MTech or MBA degree will be preferred. At least 18 years post-qualification executive experience is required. The registration fee for this is Rupees 300 for general or EWS or OBC NCL category candidates. No fees for SC, ST or PWBD or XSM candidates and female candidates. The fees can be made through online payment mode using net banking or debit card or credit card. Now for this also how to apply, the eligible candidates should or the person wanting to apply for this should apply online through this NTPC Careers portal, which is www.ntpccareers.net. So I think I have given you all the information regarding this NTPC. So if you think you're eligible for this job, definitely without wasting time, go hurry up and grab this opportunity before time runs out. So fill out the application form, go for the other processes that is required, and I hope you will be successful in it. So I'm sure you must have got some benefit out of this video. Thank you so much for patiently watching my video out. With other videos, I will come out with other job notifications, but for this, I will suggest this is a very good opportunity that has been released, and if you are qualified enough or if you have the eligibility conditions, then without wasting time, I advise you to go hurry up and fill out and grab the job opportunity. So thank you so much for hearing me. I am sure this video will give you some benefit. So until the time I come out with some other video, stay happy, stay safe and keep smiling. Thank you.